today guys, it's holiday in Japan and there's a festival. It's international festival here in our place, right, honey? It's raining today, so I don't know if there are many people are there. No, we'll go there, but we will go because we will have a mukbang vlog, Filipino food mukbang later. I'm very excited. We haven't eaten lunch yet. We are sure to buy mang inasal and barbecue. Oh, if there's a balut, if there's a balut, we will buy. So it will be HiCy's challenge, that balut. Okay, so stay guys and see you later. Jane. Saka isang Adidas. This one. Adidas isa.
Adidas? Adidas?
Adidas is chicken feet.
Lumpia to inasal. Is it official inasal? No. Then barbecue and Adidas だって Adidas. Then kuo I don't know. And then cassava cake.
Oh my gosh, I'm excited.
Inasal. Lumpia.
Just use our hands ka?
No way.
Me wa hands suru.
Okay.
Finally, after 2 years, I can eat. Itadakimasu. Right?
How much?
300 300 yen.
Okay.
So guys, 115 peso. Which is tagpila na ni? 15? 15 peso? Adidas. Ay.
これ美味しい。
Try. Try, honey. Feet. What score you can give?
Yes?
10 over 10. 10 is the highest. What?
8。
8? なんで?
美味しいじゃん。
10 is perfect.
Yeah.
Treatment. Not perfect.
Perfect.
So 10. So last year also we went to same place, international festival. Then we bought Maginasal. So which is better?
ソースが
Different.
なんか not so
So what's your rate?
5 5ノーマルじゃないの
Yeah, but maybe the
美味
past.
しいけどノーマルだけ、
そうOkay.
これ9.5 だな
You said 10.
9.5 This one 8かなソースもうちょっとねソース Very less That's why minus 2 point Sorry Quick
I'm too busy with my
Quick.
Adidas chicken feet. My chicken feet is 8. Honey, this is for you. Come on. You show to all Filipinos and Japanese that you can eat
ちょっと
Adidas.
ちょっとこれ
this one.
何これ
Just this one.
美味しい
Uishi?
あげる美味しいだ
I
よ
know it's not uishi. You gave it to me だから。
No taste だよ、no taste. Just コラジンな。
Let's check if this is really from Philippines. ほら。
こう。
いやいや。どう？
あ、美味しい。
Ah, the sauce?
うん。美味しい。
Pinakurat. Where's my feet? Give me.
ルンピー。
Vegetable lumpa. 美味しい？
No taste.
No.
Yours is better.
Mine is better. Kuno my lumpia is better. This one. So you have to.
ビリビリして。
I remember, guys, when I was in Cebu. Permintig yun yung naka-orderon. I always. Are you still not?
美味しい。
Because their sauce is so good. It's really healthy. How much? That is 2 for 250 peso. Imagine, sa kalimpia, 125. Well, naka-second round of rice. Tag 100 peso each stick. Nana? What other parts? Click, click. That's quick, quick, honey, not quack, quack.
何これ？
Fishball.
This one fish? Then
Fishball.
500? This?
6 fish balls cost 250 peso. すごいな。
Yeah.
In Philippines,
これかける？
3 nani? 3 fish balls, 10 peso. You like Pinoy food, no?
美味しい。
Yeah. Their vinegar sauce is so good. Honey, when we go home in Cebu, what do you want to eat?
Parrot.
Really?
And then brain. Also eyes.
Eyes?
え？
何 eyes? Eyes?
ポークドアイ。
ほんま?
Filipino eating, right?
No.
No?
Maybe no. Where did you hear that?
No. これほんまに美味しい。
Yeah, I can give 10, yo. Perfect. Manginasal, no. It's not manginasal taste.
But that's...
It's not manginasal taste. It's just a regular chicken. Or Japanese taste, janai?
Just grilled. Just grilled finish. フルかな Almost.
I still have.
Oh, you bought too much.
Mukbang だから。
How much did you spend?
How much? This is 1,200.
200? 800. It means 2,000. Then 100, 1,300. 3,300. Then 4,300. 4,800. Include this. Include
5,000 じゃん。
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Let's enjoy our long holiday. I'm almost full.
So guys. 食べた？
食べた。
ノールンピア。
Yeah. Almost finished.
アディダスもないです。
Adidas.
いなさー。これ。
I haven't eaten this.
ど
なんか it's not hot anymore, so not so good.
う Then we'll eat キャッサバケーキな。
You like that?
キャッサバ知らん。
Wait, you tried it. Honey, which food do you really like?
バーベキュー。
Ah, the
ポーク。
barbecue な。本当に
美味しかった。ほんまに美味しかった。
Thumbs up for you guys. Also, lumpia. Lumpia and of course the Adidas.
ああ、アディダス。
Yeah?
そうだな。We are already full な。
Really full. Later?
Later な。ちょっと、もうフルです。
Yeah. No worry. Cassava. We will eat this with coffee later. So guys, our mukbang, sorry, our mukbang vlog is finished. And we are so full. How about you?
フルです。
So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. It's our first mukbang vlog na. Hopefully there will be next and more like this. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.